balloon, railway track, cotton, coconut, bulb, razor, perfume, mango, knife, refrigerator, dining room, kitchen, gas stove, milk, tea, biscuit, tiger, forest, woods, bench and desk, classroom, teacher and student, maths.
Okay, fine.
Milk, ice cream, needle, milk, rod, brick, rod, tile, boxing, crow, dancing, chair, elephant, balloon.
1, 2, 3, start. Wow. Resorcio. നമ്മുടെ പേര് നമ്മുടെ സിസ്റ്റർ നമ്മുടെ ചന്ദ്രോ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ.
And today's class was, it's not about the information, it's about the way that sir presented the information. Because if you go to your class and your teacher says the same thing, you won't understand. But as he said it this way, it was really, exciting and enjoyable. And the favorite thing that I loved about this class was that the thing that he said about characteristics. Because I have been, trying to find what my characteristic is, and he has done that for me. And I think that it was also really enjoyable to each and every one of you. I loved everything about this class, and it's
and I'm from Group 4. Another ദിവസം was really nice. നമുക്ക് ടീം വർക്കിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് ഈ ദിവസം കൊണ്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റി. എല്ലാവരും ടീമിൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ we can achieve what we need. പിന്നെ സാർ പറഞ്ഞ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും it was really nice.
giving us this opportunity. I didn't hear Lisa, Joseph sir, Abhilash sir, and Martin sir, both very wonderful classes. Very more is very confidence in the child campus. We can improve reality and we can really achieve the kind of every can enter to your part of support. So thank you so much. Thank you all. And nice.
I would like to thank each and every person who support this 3 days and make it a wonderful one. Thank you all. And especially I want to thank Martin sir, Abhilash sir, and Philip sir. 3 പേരും നല്ലപോലെ ഇൻഫർമേറ്റീവും അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഫണ്ണുമായിട്ടുള്ള 3 ക്ലാസ്സസ് ആണ് എടുത്തത്. കുറേ മെത്തേഡ്സ് നമുക്ക് പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റും, ചങ്കിങ്, സ്കെയിലിംഗ്, അതുപോലത്തെ കുറേ മെത്തേഡ്സ്. അതൊക്കെ നമ്മുടെ എക്സാമിനും ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യും, പഠിത്തത്തിനും ഒക്കെ നമ്മളെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഒരുപാട് ഉപകാരപ്പെടും അത് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നവർക്ക്. അപ്പം എല്ലാം നല്ല വൈസായിട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ. എന്നിപ്പോൾ ഒരു നല്ലൊരു കൈവടി കൊടുക്കുക.
For a lot of us, especially for those who want to speak but may not have a chance. We all had to speak, so that is nice. And we show the ways of teaching in a really nice way. So that teaching and fun can happen in the same place. Again, as Jackie said, it would be better if it was extended. And thank you.
Lake, ice cream, needle, milk, road, tile, boxing, crow, dancing, chair, elephant, balloon, railway track, cotton, coconut, bulb, razor, perfume, mango, knife, refrigerator, dining room, kitchen, gas stove, milk, tea, biscuit, tiger, forest, woods, bed and desk, classroom, teacher and students, maths, science, English, social science, Malayalam, computer, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, simple, difficult, happy, sad, love, hatred, transportation, humans, blood cells, plasma, RBC, WBC, platelets, blood vessels, arteries, veins, capillaries, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, aorta, vena cava, then lion, prince, stepmother, stepmother, ball, Cinderella, one second, Cinderella, stepmother, prince, ball, prince, ball, fairy godmother, bless, beautiful, queen, playing, ball, lake, frog, take, kiss, love, and prince, school, orientation, sir, ma'am, informative, fun, prize, conclusion by, wake up, brush, paste, then workout, math, breakfast, school, teachers, friends, class, end, then tour, Mysore, Bangalore, temple, church, palace, zoo, garden, then museum, then shopping, watch, time, then doll, rabbit, then perfume, brood, then train, bag, school.
Super excited, super happy, ready to be back to normal with all the classes which are going on. But before that, you need to do something. Isn't it? Yes. What did you learn from Iron's final task? Don't be afraid. Never give up. Obstacles will be there, but you should move on. Listen to parents and teachers. Yes. Then what? What was the first thing that I wanted? Never give up. Before that. She wanted to take that action. What do we call that? He took the challenge by taking risk, by taking a, I didn't get the right word. By taking the security. Somebody said that. By taking the, he had the confidence. By taking the decision. Yes. So he took the decision. So decision making, as Sir said the whole day, is very, very important in our life. Isn't it? So what you need to decide now? Your final achievement. What it has to be. So planning your vision, taking a decision, goal setting. The first thing that you have to do now. Goal setting. I remember I had come to one of your classes and I told you to set the goal. Yes or no? Yes. How many of you did that? Very, very good. But I believe that you will be able to do it now. Yes or no? Yes. So he decided that he is going to achieve. all about what the end result has to be. So, after that, what if you do? What if you do? After that, he won. Because I have experienced what you have gone through these 3 days, and I understood that all these 3 days I was observing each one of you, and today I could see a few of you who were not even opening up, who were not even involving into everything. Yesterday I gave them a target, but today they did it. I'm really thankful to all of you who did that, you crossed that barrier and come forward. So can we give a big clap to all of them? I would especially like to name you Ryan, George, Joseph, Babusha, these 4 children. Can you please stand up? Give them a very good clap. Because they were really crossing their boundaries, their limitations, everything, and they came forward, and I was wondering how good public speakers are there. So there is that thing inside you. Understand that and cross all the boundaries. The success is yours. Simple. I would really thank Robin sir for the entire plan he has made for our school. Thank you so much, sir. Leena ma'am and Amrita, both of you were here during the teachers training program also. I really thank both of you for being here. There is one person behind the scenes who is not visible